Welcome back to the channel guys, and welcome to Crete. We're here at the Akasha Beach Hotel and Spa, where modern elegance meets the soul of the Mediterranean. In this video we'll take you on an exclusive tour through the hotel's stunning suites, its world-class spa, infinity pools and vibrant beach club scene. Whether you're dreaming of your next summer getaway or just love discovering incredible destinations, you're in for a treat. Let the adventure begin. wraps up our tour of the Akasha Beach Hotel and Spa. Your highlight, Meg?
It's a really nice hotel. The pool area is lovely. They've got their own little like beachfront bit, which is also nice. So there's like lots of different areas to relax in, depending on what sort of mood you're in. So I would definitely come back. Would you?
Yeah, 100%. Really, really nice hotel. Around the pool area especially. Fantastic seats, very comfy, and the pool bar is great. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you're planning to visit here or if you've already visited in the past. Finally, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.